Hello Harry Potter fans, I'm here with another Harry Potter video wearing my Harry Potter shirt. I'm super excited because I went to England and Primark had just released a line of Harry Potter clothing, so of course I went and I got a ton of stuff. Today is actually part 2 of my haul of Harry Potter clothing, accessories, homeware, stuff from Primark. So today I'm just going to be showing you the clothing that I purchased. I'll be doing a little try on haul. If you want to see everything else that I got, not just from Primark, but from like Cursed Child, Play, and Studio Tour, stuff like that, then that will be in my previous video and I will link that as well. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get started. So you may have noticed that I'm already wearing one of these articles of clothing. This is actually part of a pajama set. So I would not actually wear this out of the house, even though it is super cute. It's really cozy. I still have the sticker on right here. It's a 2-piece set. It says, "I solemnly swear I am up to no good." It says Harry Potter. It's like a little Marauders map kind of t-shirt. And then at the bottom here, it says "Property of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry." So I thought that this was adorable, and I actually got 2 pajama sets from Primark and like a nightgown kind of thing. So I got a lot of pajama stuff because I don't actually wear that much Harry Potter stuff like out of the house. It's kind of hard to be like look normal and wear like fandom gear, you know what I mean? But like sometimes I can get away with it. So these are the shorts from the pajama set. A little bow, super cute, they're matching. I don't actually have one of the pajama sets with me, but I will link a picture right here. They had these in all 4 houses and they were all different colors, so you could like select the one that was your house, which I thought was really cute. This was the nightgown kind of thing I'm talking about. Also, I haven't worn any of these pieces. I've just sort of like kept them nice. So it says, "I don't go looking for trouble, trouble usually finds me." And then it has the Hogwarts crest, and it's quite long, but you could still wear this with like leggings or whatever, although I don't think you could turn this into a t-shirt. Like it's just clearly wearing for sleep, but I love it. So when I was looking for this clothing, I was going all over the store because I thought that they might have some nice stuff in the men's section as well that was different from the women's. And I didn't find anything in the men's section, but I did find something in the kids section. So this is a size 11 to 12 years old, but it fits. So, you know, obviously I was gonna get it. I think this was like £5. It's got the Deathly Hallows symbol, and it's actually got little rips right here. And then on the back, it's got this super intricate 3 brothers sign. So it says power, longing, and humility. And yeah, I just thought this was super cute. I've never seen anything like this. And I like that it's just a basic black t-shirt, so if I'm wearing like a jacket on top or whatever, it'll totally look normal. This doesn't really count as pajamas, but it's still like lounge wear. They had a lot of lounge wear, okay? More than like regular clothing. So these are just super, super cozy sweatpants, but they taper at the bottom, if you can see. And then it's just says Hogwarts, and it's got the crest down the side. So I just loved how cozy these were. Oh, forgot one thing. I don't know if this is supposed to go with it, but it's the same material and colors, so you could wear this as like a sweatsuit. It's super cute. It says, "I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good." So this is another Marauders map piece, and it's just a super cozy sweater. You could wear it to bed, you could lounge around it. I love this. I've worn this a ton already. And this is actually the shirt that I wore to the studio tour when I went. And then the last article of clothing that I got is this t-shirt. Oh, and I'm just gonna point out, look at the tags on this. It's like a little Hogwarts letter and then Harry Potter, so that was super cute. And it's just a t-shirt. This one I might have found in the kids section or the men's section as well. It says HP, it's got the glasses, the Hogwarts crest, and I can tie this up and make it super cute with like jean shorts or whatever. So that was actually it for my Harry Potter clothing haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I will link below the other haul of Harry Potter stuff. I'm super excited to incorporate these all into my wardrobe and just show people how like nerdy and fandom obsessed I am. because it's a big part of my life. Thank you so much for watching, and please click the like button down below. Bye guys!